Hello boys and girls, this week in art we are looking at the primary colors and how they create secondary colors. We are going to do this by making 3 ladybugs in grass on our paper. You're welcome to use crayons, markers, or paint to complete this project. We're going to start out creating our ladybugs with pencil, but I have up at the top the different crayon families that I'm going to use and combine to make our primary color mixing ladybugs. So the first thing I'm going to do to draw our ladybugs is make a fist with my hand and then trace a circle around my hand, and that's going to make our ladybugs nice and big and circular. So I'm going to do that 3 times on my paper so I have some nice big ladybugs. And then I'm going to add the head, which is a semicircle or half of a circle or a curved line, and 2 straight lines for the antennas on top of our ladybug. Next, I'm going to draw the letter V, or 2 diagonal lines, to create the wings on our ladybugs. So it's a diagonal line on one side, a diagonal line on the other side of the circle, and it almost looks like a V. Now once I have my ladybugs drawn on my paper in pencil, I can go over the ladybug with a crayon or a black marker or a black pen, anything that I have that can outline the shape of my ladybug. And I can color in the head of the ladybug with my black crayon or black marker, whatever you have at home. Finish off that first ladybug, and now I'm going to do that to the rest of my ladybugs. Now that we have our ladybugs outlined with our black material, we're going to be using the primary colors to create a secondary color. So I'm using crayons, you can use markers or paint, whatever you have available. So we're thinking about one section, one wing of our ladybug is going to be red, and which is a primary color. So we're starting out with a primary color and coloring in one wing red. The next wing will be blue, and when we combine them together, we make purple. So red and blue make purple. So we'll place purple in the center of our ladybug because those 2 colors work together to make our new color, our secondary color of purple. So we started out with our first ladybug with red and blue make purple, and I'm going back on top of the ladybug to add the dots that we see on our ladybug. So once you have your ladybugs colored in, you can add the details of your ladybug, like the dots. Now we're doing yellow and red make orange. And here's our second ladybug. And our third and final ladybug is blue and yellow make green. So green is our secondary color and yellow and blue is our primary color. So now that I have my ladybugs all decorated, we're going to place our ladybugs in the grass. So we're going to make some big, long, wavy triangles, and those are going to be the blades of grass, and we're just going to place them around the ladybugs, maybe add just some lines. And you can place your blades of grass wherever you like on your paper, as long as they go around your ladybug, and making it look and appear like the ladybugs are in the grass and they're outside and they are proud of all the colors that they are and have created, using the primary colors to make the secondary colors. So I'm just doing some wavy lines to go all around my paper to make it appear as if the ladybugs are in the grass. And now I'm going to outline with my black crayon. So you at home can do this with a colored pencil, a marker, any material that you have once you've drawn in your blades of grass. And all I did again was make some long wavy lines that make it look like they're wavy blades of grass, almost like the wind is making them move around. Or maybe it's the ladybugs walking around the blades of grass that's making them look like they're swishing. Swish, swish, swish. And now I'm adding a broken line down the center of my blade of grass to make it look like the middle of our grass. So I'm going around and adding details to the grass and outlining them with my black crayon. So once you have your ladybugs colored in, you can add your blades of grass all around your paper. Now that I've outlined my blades of grass, I can use different colors of green to make each blade individually stand out. So I'm using a dark green, a light green, maybe even like a yellow green. You can use paint or crayons or markers. I'm using markers, but you are welcome to use any material that you have to color in the individual blades of grass. All right, boys and girls, and here we have our color mixing ladybugs. We have blue and yellow make green. We have yellow and red make orange. We have red and blue make purple. And they are so fun and colorful. I hope you enjoy working on this project, and I can't wait to see what you create.